Or do I give you the name Callie? Or is it my face story? Either way, you probably don't even know who I am, so does it really matter? Today I'm here to show you guys everything that I've been using on my skin to help fade and reduce acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, and to get smooth, even texture back on my skin. So, let's get started. So, step one, obviously I've already done, is to completely wash off all of your makeup. Make sure you have a clean base to start with. So today I'm going to show you how to use everything in the Banish Acne Scars starter kit. The starter kit comes with the pumpkin enzyme mask, the activated charcoal clay mask, the Banish oil, which is formerly known as the vitamin C serum, the vitamin C beauty elixir, the pore smasher, the derma roller banisher, and it comes with a pin stamp banisher. So I always like to start by using the activated charcoal clay mask. And activated charcoal is really awesome because it has the ability to absorb 100 to 200 times its weight in oil, which is pretty cool. So it's good at like drawing out blackheads, shrinking large pores, dry up like any active acne that you have. Using the vitamin C beauty elixir to get more added benefits with collagen production. Honestly, since I started using Banish though, I feel like my skin looks so good. Like, I've had less and less breakouts. Why can't I talk? Oh my days. I've had less and less breakouts. And yeah, it's all good in the hood. Like, I can definitely tell just a difference overall in my skin. It looks like it's glowing, it looks healthy. My scars have just been consistently faded. Alright, so it's gonna be like a mud type consistency, and that's when you know it's ready. These are my problem areas. Charcoal mask works to detoxify the skin. So it'll help to draw out all the oil and any impurities in the skin, while the pumpkin enzyme mask works to exfoliate the skin. So it's more of like, instead of a physical exfoliation, it's a chemical exfoliation, which I think is better because with this product, you're not like tugging at your skin. It's just working to gently shed excess skin cells, which is pretty freaking cool. Pretty cool. So I'm just gonna leave the activated charcoal clay mask on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Pumpkin enzyme mask. Man, this is my pride and joy. My little baby pumpkin. Little baby pumpkin. This mask is freaking awesome. Like, it smells just like pumpkin pie. You want to paint a thin layer on and then just like let it dry, and then you can rinse it off. Does I look like a pumpkin to you? The pumpkin enzyme mask is awesome. It dries out any active acne that you have. It is good as like a chemical exfoliation, and as soon as you take it off, your skin feels amazing. It feels so soft, baby's butt soft. This mask also, I feel like, really makes your skin look like super glowy, and not like oily glowy, because it actually helps with oil, just like from the inside glowy. Okay, so I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes for this mask to dry, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Alright, so once you rinse the mask off with cool water, you can go in with the vitamin C beauty elixir. This feels so good. I don't know how to, it's like minty. It's a minty air. It's amazing. Should I spray some more? I'm gonna do some more. Okay, it's probably over. The beauty elixir contains organic ingredients, so you can use it every day to tone your skin, and it also has vitamin C. Next, I'm gonna go in with the pore smasher. And I'm just gonna do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. So icing your skin, it can reduce puffiness, like right here around your eye area. It feels so good. Yes, yes, pore smasher, yes. Pore smasher, yes. And then it can just like tighten your skin and like revitalize your skin tone. Honestly, it's great. I don't know why you wouldn't use it. It's good, it's good. It also slightly numbs your face before you derma roll. Yes, clean. I'm gonna go in with the derma roller. So I always disinfect mine for about 10 minutes before, and I disinfect it for about 10 minutes after. I get a lot of people asking me, does it hurt? No, it does not hurt one bit. If anything, it's pretty equivalent to like a sunburn. People also ask me what it's made out of. This specific Banisher is made out of titanium, which is great if you have any metal allergies, because a lot of people aren't allergic to titanium. And I think it's naturally antibacterial. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. So maybe, yeah, quote me on that. And this Banisher is 0.5 millimeters. So derma rolling works to induce collagen production. Little needles on the roller trick your skin into thinking that it has an injury, so your body is using its natural resources to repair itself. So over time, your skin will just completely smooth out. So when you roll, you want to go about 4 times in each direction using a gentle pressure. I also slightly pull my skin. After derma rolling, you can assume like your normal beauty routine that night, but you want to wait at least 8 hours before you put makeup on. Now that I've rolled, I'm going to go in with the pin stamp, and the pin stamp works the same way as the derma roller. This is just really good for those hard to reach areas. The pin stamp is awesome because you can use it if you have active acne. So I have one right here that I can feel under the surface, so I'm going to go around it. You can seal the deal by using the Banish oil. And the Banish oil is a very rich vitamin C serum. So using this along with the derma roller, basically, the derma roller creates tiny microchannels that allow your products to absorb better. And this is like the bee's knees. The Banish oil can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, acne scars, age spots. It's vegan, natural, paraben-free, and it has no preservatives. So 100 in my book. All right, guys, well, I guess that's it. So yes, I will talk to you soon, and I hope that this was helpful. This is what I have been using for the past 3 months, and I've noticed huge improvement. Use my discount code, it's MyFaceStory, if you want to try out the Banish starter kit. It'll save you some doll hairs. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram on MyFaceStory if you want to see weekly / bi-weekly-ish, whenever I have time to post, updates. I think that's all. All right, bye guys.